Hello guys, let's learn how to style links. So first we need to create some kind of link, a trap, you know that from a classical HTML playlist on my channel, probably. So protocol HTTP, and we're gonna target Apple, let's say, okay, and link to Apple, and of course we need to close that thing. And up here we're gonna have just a heading, h1 heading, something to have on page, link to Apple, save, refresh, there you go. So this is the default situation. So let's style it through CSS. Well, how to target that link? We're gonna use a and colon. And now you can reach that link, but we have multiple options. So let's change that default to something else. Like default is a blue and we want to use something else. So how to do that? Well, link and color orange, let's say, and refresh, and there you go guys. Now you have that, and let me actually zoom here, something like that. There you go. Right, so what if you wanna press this link, but you are not letting it go yet? Okay, so just you are pressing it. So let me move mouse, and now I'm gonna let go. So I'm not going to Apple yet. Well, we're gonna use again target, but active this time, and I'm gonna set color in that case to be yellow, for example, and the background, sure, we can do that too. Background will be black. So save, refresh, and check this out. I'm gonna just press it, and I'm not going to link. So I'm just pressing that thing, and I'm pressing left mouse, okay? There you go guys. So let's just move from that link, and now I will let it go. So that's pretty much it when we talk about active option. Well, what when you visit that link? What about then? Well, visited, and color now will be, let's say, red. Refresh, and let's actually go to Apple to see what's there. Okay, $400. Interesting. Well, I'm not, into iPhones and stuff, and I'm not into Android actually. I use old phones for security reasons mostly. Well, let's go back, and now that link is visited and it's red. So next thing, what when you wanna hover over it? Well, you're gonna say a hover, and the background, for example, will be a red, but color of font will be white. Okay, save, refresh, and now there you go guys, you have situation. So what about this active then? Will that still be well activated? Check this out. I'm pressing it, and now I'm just letting it go down there. So basically the moment when you click link, you will lose this option. When you visit website, then you will lose this option. So pretty much you can forget it practically. Well, it depends what you do, but these three will get the job done most of the time. There you go guys, very simple stuff, and as always, thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.